Right, guys. Okay, we are talking about a single hotel that's interesting and caught my imagination out of the 125 that I've reviewed over the last couple of years. And I'm publishing one a day for 60 days. Today I'm doing it slightly differently. I'm actually going to talk about two hotels in two different locations, but it's the same brand of hotel and the same concept of hotel, but different. As you can see on the thumbnail, and when you come in, we're talking about the YOTEL. And we're talking about the YOTEL in Istanbul and the YOTEL at Gatwick Airport. Okay. They're slightly different hotel concepts. Yes, they are airport hotels. They're both landside. They're both before security. But Gatwick is very much about the pods, the small rooms, as you can see like this, where everything's designed and tiny and you're in. And I think it's great. I've used it a few times. Since the thing that we don't talk about, you know, when we wore things like that over our faces and we stood 2 meters apart in supermarkets, since those days, I think it's got very expensive. So I would think twice about the options. I would compare prices with other hotels. I've actually seen this at the sort of money you can get the Gatwick Sofitel. Seriously. So I consider that. But yes, it is convenient. It is pod-like. And therefore, if your experience of hotels is pod-like hotels, then if you look at Istanbul, you think it's going to be a pod hotel. It's not. It's like this. It's full hotel rooms. It's a bar, and quite a good bar, actually. And when I went here, it was one of the few hotels at Istanbul Airport, because it'd only been recent that they switched from one to the other. So yeah, we talked about two hotels today, and YOTEL has that weird concept. You know, if you're staying in a Sofitel, you expect Sofitels to be different. Hiltons are different. You've Hilton Doubletree, you've Hilton Resorts. YOTEL, if your first familiarity with YOTEL is that it's pod hotels, you'd expect the YOTEL in Istanbul to be pod hotels, but it's a full hotel. Anyway, I've put links to the video reviews that I've done of both of them. The Gatwick one, I've actually done a 360. So on your phone, you can move around the room in 360, and on your computer with your mouse, you can do that. So that's got to be worth a like. And if you want to follow this series of hotels from 6 continents, then do subscribe, which is free, of course. And if you ring the bell, YouTube will notify you when I publish the next video. So still doing the travel videos once a week, still doing the special offer videos once a week. It's just this series is every day. Oh, it's going to take it out of me, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.